Hey guys, it's Jake and Alex again. We're gonna be doing a bike check on my 2011 FIT Aitken 3 bike. We're gonna be doing a bike check on the 2012 18-inch FIT, which was based on the Aitken 1. So let's just start off with mine. My bike has the FIT Sky High bars, blue ODI grips, nylon ODI bar ends. They're running out pretty quickly and I need to get a new pair soon. FIT top load stem, which came stock with the bike. Stock headset. Need new stuff. I need a new headset. It's really messed up now, but it's held me up for a while. I have a 5-inch head tube. I have the FIT Shiv forks. FIT FAF tires, Revenge Industries rim laced to a FIT hub, the 2011 FIT Mike Aitken 3 frame, integrated seat clamp, stock pivotal seat, stock pivotal post, I ride on Eastern clear pedals. They're actually pretty good. They've kept me, geez, I don't know how long I've had them. The pegs are still on there. They've held me up for a while, especially if you ride like dirt. Eastern Sprocket Balboa Sprocket, 25 tooth, you can see 25 right there. Colt half-link chain, stock bottom bracket. I don't know if I already said this, but I have stock cranks. The paint's already getting worn out. Looks pretty sick. For the back wheel, I have FIT FAF as well, as I do on the front one. I have the Shadow Raptor hub that's laced to a Shadow Stun rim. Alloy nipples, titanium spokes. They're both male axles, front and back. I want to get the female Shadow Stun in the front. And I'm gonna be doing updated bike checks on my bike because Christmas is coming soon, and hopefully I'll be getting new parts for Christmas. I'm getting the chrome Shadow Voltus bars. I might keep the stem, chrome Shadow Corvus headset, chrome Shadow Voltus forks, the Shadow Stun rim in the front, and Shadow Noctis cranks, Shadow Scream sprocket, and a Shadow V2 chain, interlock chain. And I don't know, maybe even the Shadow Crow seat. I don't know. I want mostly Shadow on my bike because I really like Shadow. Yeah, so to start off my whole obsession with Shadow, I had to get a back rim because the other one, the splines and everything and the driver were so messed up to where you couldn't even put it back together. And right now we're trying to find the proper driver that fits into the I don't know if it's FIT or Revenge Industries, but we're trying to find it to where it could fit into one of those two hubs. And if you want to see how my Shadow Raptor hub sounds, here it is. Okay. That was my bike check, and now it's on to my brother's.
Okay, now it is the FIT 18-inch 2012 based on the Aitken one, just really in 18-inch form. I got FIT 18-inch bars, 6.25 rides, and I'm pretty sure it's 24 wide. I have stock FIT stem, it's top load, stock FIT fork, Revenge rims, but it's missing the sticker, stock front hub, 18-inch top tube for the frame, headset is stock, brake lever is stock, brake cable, I'm pretty sure it's yeah, I can't remember, but I got Go SS mini pedals, FIT 25 tooth sprocket, KMC chain, Odyssey brake caliper for this. Could have chose gold, but I have an animal seat clamp with a stock FIT seat, FIT 2.1 tires for the front and back, and 25 9 gearing, and yeah, the back hub is sealed, but the front hub isn't, and they're both male axles, and yeah. And if you want to hear how the hub sounds, I'll just switch it.
Okay guys, that was our bike checks for, yeah, actually 22.3, but, okay, yeah, but this was our, these are both of our bike checks, yeah, for weight measurements, if you guys are curious, that weighs 22, that one weighs like 23, 24 pounds, but yeah, heads up, we're gonna be having games of bike, going to Crush, which is down in Schiller Park, Tinley Park, Schiller Park, whatever, playing games of bike, I think I already said that, chilling with friends, you know, just doing whatever, doing what we do in our everyday life, or maybe even on the weekends. But yeah, this was our bike check. Rate, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever the hell you need to do. If you like this video, thank you. If you don't, I'm sorry to hear that. I can't fix that really. But if there's anything you guys have in mind for us to change our bikes, if you want it somehow make it seem better, make it feel better for us, that'd be greatly appreciated. So I hope you guys, yeah, just don't leave gas, stupid comments. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, rate, comment, subscribe, favorite, do whatever you need to do if you liked it. And we'll see you next time. Peace!